Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. This is the introduction for the video you're about to see, because apparently I forgot to record an introduction. But anyway, so the next video you're going to see is just a video of us being here, pretty much at home and doing a few things. We had a snowstorm starting last Wednesday, which was like the 3rd of February, I think. And yeah, we're just home, hiding work, for like 5 days. But so yeah, so that's pretty much what this video is about. So I hope you like the video, enjoy it, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. So amigos, esta es la introducción del video que van a ver. El video es de estos días que estuvimos aquí en la casa, que nos cayó una tormenta de nieve. Y pues nomás estuvimos aquí, salimos unos cuantos días. So, espero disfruten el video. Pónganle deditos arriba, suscríbanse si no lo han hecho, y nos vemos en el siguiente video. Bye. ¿No?
Jeremy.
Oh, mire, ya está aquí.
Jeremy.
Pero miren, así se ve. Open the door for Jeremy. Viene. Así se ve ahorita. Los vecinos son unos vecinos buenos, ya empezaron con sus máquinas a limpiar. Agarra, Victoria. A ver, espérame. Jeremy todo enojado. No ha salido a limpiar las escaleras. A ver, métete. A mi mamá, a mi hermano, porque tampoco lo mandaron a la escuela. So, así se mira por ahorita. Y ven como, no sé si se alcanza a ver, pero ven, sigue cayendo nieve todavía.
Is it going to be raining the whole day?
Raining, it's not raining, it's
snowing
snowing.
the whole day?
Yes. So, hasta mañana jueves, y hace rato estaba viendo las noticias y según creo que el viernes va a volver a caer y el domingo. Así que, yeah,
Me and Jeremy didn't go to
así
school.
se pone aquí. So, no voy a hacer nada hoy, aparte de tengo que lavar ropa y estar aquí. El rato que llegue Manuel, a lo mejor salimos. Bueno, iba a salir a limpiar, pero como les digo, el vecino empezó a limpiar la nieve y como sigue nevando, pues está un poco difícil, pero dijo Manuel que cuando llegue del trabajo él va a limpiar. So, salimos al ratito a ver, para que vean cómo está allá afuera. Victoria, ¿vas a salir? Se te van a frizar las patas, métete. Come on.
Is she shivering? No, she's not.
A ver. No, no la vi. ¡Oh! Victoria, what happened? You took a dive in the... Look at her. She's gonna be mad. What's wrong? So ya llegó Manuel del trabajo.
He threw Tori.
Limpiando la nieve. So vamos por Nayeli y así están the roads. Go outside. Come on. Go play in the snow. He's gonna knock you down.
I'm jumping in the snow.
Oye, saca a Victoria.
Bruh.
Look at her. Chico doesn't want you to eat a. Bien. All right, so what are we watching?
I don't know. I'm
USA
confused now.
versus Honduras. I said, Mexico. Turbió la cerveza. Just look at the dibs they're using across the street. Es lo que están usando para bloquear su parqueadero.
What are they using?
Los juguetes de los chiquillos. It's a bathtub, a baby bathtub.
Viene y go get it.
Y una, like a little kitchen. Es una tina, se me hace que cuando bañan, donde bañan a los niños y como una cocinita. Así guarda la gente su parqueadero aquí. A ver, se me hace que son los únicos y ni siquiera había visto a nadie. So, allá está el juego. Manuel y su cerveza. So, así estamos. No hemos hecho nada más que estar aquí en la casa.
¿Cómo no hemos hecho nada? No has hecho nada.
No, salí y limpié nieve.
Tú, los chiquillos desde.
No, yo les ayudé.
¿Con qué?
¿Con la pala? ¿Cómo que con qué?
Con la pala.
What are you eating? Mira, para lo que usas la cama, para plato. Alright, so, ahorita nomás estamos aquí. La mía tiene sal y limón. Viendo el juego de Estados Unidos y Honduras, no México. Y yo no sé qué anda haciendo. Ponte a limpiar, chico. Haz algo. Haz algo productivo. Muy buenos días. Ahora es jueves 3 de febrero, es el día siguiente de nuestra tormenta de nieve. Todavía estoy aquí acostada. Y miren quién está conmigo. No sé si la pueden ver. Victoria está dormida. Los cachetillos y viene. I saw you sleeping. Y miren, ahora ya subió Firulais. Firulais mayor. Chico. Candy aisle. Looking for candy for Viennese. Oh. Okay, escoge like two of. Oh, there's three for. No, those are individually. Agarra, mix, like, get some Snickers. Get some Snickers. Target and me and Vianney got Starbucks. What did you get, Vianney? She got the pink drink and I got the strawberry acai.
This is the second time because the last time, when was the first time that I drank it?
I don't
The
know.
last time when we were going somewhere, I got it.
Vianney didn't get anything. So. Good morning, guys. It is Friday the 4th of February and ya salí de la casa. Oh, ayer salí también, but today Nayeli has a doctor's appointment, so I left Vianney at my mom's house so she can take her to school because I wasn't going to have time. And now I'm here at the doctor's with Nayeli and we're actually early. So she has blood work done. It's just a checkup and they're going to do blood work on her, so then I'll take her to school afterwards. And huh?
So can we go? Because by the time you take me back, I have lunch.
Well, we'll see. So we'll see you guys when we get out of the clinic.
Recording me or you?
Yeah, patiently waiting at the doctor. The doctor's running late, so we have to wait. Hmm?
I said wait from your point of view.
What? Look at this. She was dripping blood everywhere. Baja la manga, Nayeli. They took out like 4 tubes of blood. One lesson last time. Nayeli picked Three Sons Restaurant for breakfast. We've been here before. I mean, we come here all the time, but like on a video. She got vegetable soup. Oh, vegetable noodles with French toast, pero no ha llegado French toast. Y yo agarré sopa de broccoli, crema de broccoli. It's actually so good. I never had it. With my cafecito and my pan. So Nayeli's just waiting for her French toast. How's your soup?
It's good.
Días, todavía son buenos días, son las 10:30, so ya llegué a la casa. Ya tengo un ratito que llegué, dejé a Nayeli a la escuela, o en la escuela, y llegué a la casa. Y aquí, pues, no estoy haciendo, mira, Victoria, que doblé ayer. Ayer limpié la cocina, quedó limpia, ya después cocinamos y pues nomás tengo que guardar unas cositas, pero lavé mi estufa y todo y quedó limpio. Está medio soleado hoy, que es lo bueno porque ya se está empezando como que a derretir la nieve. Mire, ven ahí, ya está, se ve goteando, que ya está derritiendo. So, ya está, chico. Hi, chico. Y así está. ¿Qué pasó? ¿Por qué lloras? Did I give me yogurt? So, yeah, eso es lo único que estamos haciendo. La mañana nomás fuimos al doctor, llevé a Nayeli. ¿Qué pasó? Victoria está llorando porque quiere salir, pero her paws freeze. You know you can't go outside. Your paws are gonna freeze. And then you're gonna be crying even more. And now we're here waiting for Vianney to get out of school. Manny making TikToks off me. You gotta shake him?
Look at this. I look like a grandfather.
Yeah, you do. So, whoop, somebody's already beeping. It gets a little crazy here by the school. Parents are already going crazy. So, oh my God, look at my TikTok. Those are the TikToks he's making of me without me knowing. Alright, so Vianney va a salir like in 10 minutes. Alright guys, so we are home now. We went to Ross and Marshall's. Then we went to get Vianney from school. Then we had Burger King. Now we're in the living room kind of whispering because Manny's sleeping here in the living room. But I just wanted to show you quickly what I got at Ross. I only bought stuff at Ross. I didn't get anything from Marshall's, and we weren't even in Marshall's for that long. But first I got this little outfit for Logan, my nephew. It's just a little jogging suit, sweater. Ahí está Victoria. This for $15.99. These curtains for the dining room, which I thought were pretty good price. It comes with 4 panels for $24.99. They're like roses. They look like that. I thought they looked very cute for like spring, so I can switch those maroon ones. And gotta buy a new mantel for the table too. Cookies. The cookies are so good. They're very buttery. Well, I got this peach syrup, sugar free, and it was only $1.99. So I was undecided to buy it, but I got it because I mean it's a pretty decent size for $2. For my, I'm gonna try to make margaritas like for the summer, you know. Got me some socks, $5.99 for 3 pairs. Yeah, 3 pairs. For Vianney, it's like weird. It looks like those flannel kind of shirts, but it's thick, almost like a sweater. Cause look at, even the hoodie is pretty thick. So they're just black flats, like pointy, but I don't know if you can see it. The material, they're like stretchy. See, I tried them on there and they were only $15.99. I mean, I think they're cute, you know, just for casual, with like some jeans in them. We're home from picking up Nayeli from school. We stopped at Taco Bell. Let's see.
It tastes good, right?
It's sour. It's good.
I'm looking at a ceiling.
And they got No, what is this called, Haley?
It's like an icy, but it's a.
Yeah, it was
But
like
it's like it's a blue one.
blueberry blizzard.
Icy.
Hi. Oh,
I'm sorry.
look, I reached my
Whatever drink you like,
goal.
and you put it in the
Oh,
freezer for
we're in our
3 or 4
lottery.
hours.
But
How many are yours?
3, I think. I says I reached my goal.
Uh,
I only reach my goal when I don't go to work, because that's when I go anywhere. So since I didn't cook today, because we got Burger King after we picked up VNA, I didn't cook. So I asked Natalie what she wanted to eat, because VNA wanted Burger King and she wanted Taco Bell. Taco Bell.
3 and 3?
So I got chicken chalupas. Oh. Bree and Natalie got, I don't know what she got. The crunchy tacos. Vinny, seriously? Putting the ice in Taco Bell for the first time in her life. Agárralo bien. Yeah, just bite it. Wherever you grab it, pin it and bite it. It's gonna.
You remember the last time that you got we got McDonald's and you got a burger?
Are you gonna compare
It
that to
tastes like
McDonald's?
Yeah. How are you gonna compare Taco Bell?
McDonald's.
Oh my god. How does Taco Bell taste like a burger from McDonald's? Can someone explain that? Que alguien me explique. Done with it.
It's good. Just eat it. I like the best part.
Spend our time at the mall. At the food. My mom's scratching lottery tickets.
Every day, every Sunday.
Every Sunday, that's all she.
And the kids getting here.
And Jeremy eating again, and Ailey all bored over there.
He's on a diet.
And he's and nothing's happening, and then we're just sitting here.
Enjoying our, what is this called again?
Guys, well, it is much later. Today is Sunday. And as you saw, we only went to breakfast with my parents, and then we went to the mall for a little bit. And then we came home. Annie left to work. So we're just here home getting ready for the week, because I do go back to work tomorrow. So yeah, we're just gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending the last few days with us. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next time. Bye.